Hello guys, how are you? Welcome channel Gadget Guide Pro. Apple just did again the iPhone SE 4 is finally here and it is breaking some serious upgrade without breaking the bank. If you have been waiting for budget iPhone that actually feels premium, this might be it. Let us break it down features and whether it's worth upgrading. So let's go. First thing, Apple finally ditched the older design. The iPhone SE 4 looks like a mini iPhone 4K with flat edges. A 6.1-inch OLED display and Face ID instead of the home button. No more strict bezel, the screen is brighter, sharper and supports HDR hug upgrading from the LCD in the previous AC. Inside, however, the 16 by new chip, the same one from the iPhone 40 Pro. That means faster performance, better battery life, and top-tier gaming multitasking. Smooth editing photos, no lag. Plus, battery life is improved, giving up to 50 hours of video playback. Why better than the last AC? Now the camera. Apple finally upgraded 12MP real camera with deep function and night mode, so your low light shoots don't like a photo. 4K video recording is also sharper with cinematic mode with blurs the background for that pro level look. It's still a single lens, but software magic makes a hug difference. So how much? Apple is launching the iPhone's ES at $499, still the cheapest iPhone, but now with flagship level upgrades. You get a OLED screen, Face ID, and 60 chip better cameras, and USB-C charging for iPhone 8 or ESE 2020 users. This is a no-brainer upgrade. But if you have an iPhone 30 or newer, you might want to hold off. So is the iPhone 5C for 2025 the perfect budget iPhone? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want to more gadget reviews and orders, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.